This brand is made in China and can be purchased on Amazon, but their guarantee on the compressor, which is the heart of the unit, is not very good when compared to other brands. The SDL30P model has a 2-speed fan with an activated charcoal filter which traps odors and volatile organic compounds to improve the home's air quality. The brand uses R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. The unit has 3 operating modes: auto, continuous, and sleep, with a 30-pint capacity and a 0.33-gallon condensate tank. The unit features auto defrost for continued operation even at lower temperatures and an alarm when the tank is full. The brand also offers 120 and 150 pint per day models, but those sizes are usually not required for residential applications. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.